इक्वेशंस बहुत लेंथी होते हैं, तो उनको सॉल्व करते करते कई बार हमारे बीच में कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है, तो हमें उनको एंड में फाइंड करना होता है कि हमारा आंसर सही है कि नहीं। तो उसके लिए हम शॉर्टकट ट्रिक अप्लाई कर सकते हैं सो दैट वी कैन टैली आवर आंसर। नाउ our first equation is 3x square plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. 3x square plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. Now here we can firstly write the coefficient of x square will be equal to 1. So here will be x square, we will divide whole equation by 3. X square plus 4 by 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we will compare this with the equation x square plus sx plus p. Here x square minus sx plus p equal to 0. Now here sum is minus 4 by 3 and product is minus 5. Now हमारे पास sum का फॉर्मूला होता है minus b upon a. If we write from here, then minus b is minus 4 and a is 3. So sum is minus 4 upon 3 and product is c upon a. So हमारा c है minus 15 and a is 3. So p is minus 5. So हम इस इक्वेशन से भी डायरेक्ट सम और प्रोडक्ट निकाल सकते हैं, और we can divide write this equation in this form and we will equate these two form with this standard form and with this equation. Now we will find the root of this equation by हमारे पास फॉर्मूला हो गया s by 2 that is minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 that will be minus 2 by 3 plus x and minus 2 by 3 minus x, this is equal to product which is, क्योंकि दो फैक्टर्स को जब हम प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल आ गया दो फैक्टर्स को, तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट कितना है minus 5. So we will multiply these two factors minus 2 by 3 square minus 2 by 3x plus 2 by 3x minus x square which is equal to minus 5. ये कैंसिल हो गया, तो 4 by 9 minus x square equal to minus 5. तो x square को इधर ले जाएंगे और इसको इधर, तो 4 by 9 plus 5 equal to x square. तो यहाँ से एलसीएम ले लिया, 9 5 दा 45 plus 4 49 upon 9. This is equal to x square. तो हमारे x के रूट्स आ गए 49 upon 9 which will be x equals to plus minus 7 upon 3. So hence root of this equation will be 7 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. So hence by using this method we can find the root of this equation. Now if you want to check this equation then x की वैल्यू अगर हम यहाँ पे 7 by 3 पुट करते हैं तो minus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3. 7 minus 2 is 5, so 5 by 3 multiplied by minus 9 by 3 कैंसिल हो गया minus 3 and 3 get cancel, so हमारे पास आ गया minus 5. So which is a product of these two factors. So hence by using this method we can find the root of this equation. That's all. Now again we will solve the second part. 2x square minus 3x minus 35 equal to 0. तो हमारा इसको जनरल इक्वेशन के साथ अगर हम इक्वेट करते हैं ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, तो a की वैल्यू 2, b की वैल्यू -3 और c को -35. सम की वैल्यू होती है -b upon a, तो हमारा -b minus of -3 upon a वैल्यू 2, तो सम आ गया 3 upon 2 and product is c upon a. Product is c upon a, तो c हमारा है -35 और a 2. Now हमारा फॉर्मूला है s upon 2 means 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 divided by 2 will be 3 upon 4 minus x. 3 upon 4 plus x equal to product which is equal to minus 35 upon a is 2, so 35 upon 2. Now we will find the value of x. 3 by 4 square minus 3 by 4x plus 3 by 4x minus x square minus 35 upon 2 कैंसिल हो गया, तो x स्क्वायर की वैल्यू आ गई माइनस 35 अपॉन 2, इसको इधर ले गए एंड 3 by 4 का स्क्वायर हो गया 9 by 16. नाउ इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे एलसीएम लेके 35 into 8 280 plus 9 289 with negative sign. Negative cancel, so under root of 289 by 16 will be 17 by 4. तो x के हमारे दो रूट्स आ गए 17 by 4 and minus 17 by 4. So these are the roots of this equation. We can check this value whether these roots are correct or not. So we can put these roots over here and we will find that product of these two factors will be equal to minus 35 by 2. That's all. Now let us do third part. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Now here we compare it with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 6 and c is 3. Sum is equal to minus b upon a, product is equal to c upon a. So minus b upon a means minus 6 upon 2, that will be equal to 3. Minus plus 6 upon 2 will be 3. C upon a will be 3 upon 2. So hence sum is 3 and product is 3 upon 2. Now we will apply it. S upon 2, sum is 3, so 3 upon 2 minus x into 3 upon 2 plus x. This will be equal to product. So here product is 3 by 2. Now solve it. 3 by 2 square minus 3 by 2x plus 3 by 2x. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, that will be equal to 3 by 2. Now here 9 upon 4 minus x square equal to 3 by 2. So इसको इधर ले गए और इसको इधर, तो 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2 will be equal to x square. एलसीएम लिया तो 4 आ गया, 9 minus 6. So that will be equal to x square. 9 minus 6 will be 3 upon 4. So x square will be under root of 3 upon 2. So here root of this equation will be under root of 3 upon 2 and minus under root of 3 upon 2. That's all.